We are Banala. Our mission is to give you the best possible sleep. In 2018, our first product, the Banala Sleep Aid Alarm Clock, was successfully funded with the support of over 1,000 backers from the Kickstarter community. Until now, we have helped more than 10,000 people from over 100 different countries sleep better. With our intention to make more people on this planet Earth sleep better, we've come up with a solution to make the process even simpler for everyone. Introducing Banala Lite. Fall asleep quickly and deeply in just one button push. At the end of the day, everyone needs a good sleep. However, 1/3 of the world's population suffers from some form of insomnia during their lifetime. Not enough and low-quality sleep are the causes of many health problems. The solution is Banala Lite. Fall asleep quickly and deeply. No more insomnia. Just one button push, and Banala's smart sleep-cycle-inducing system will take care of the rest of your sleep journey. Banala Lite is a mini speaker integrated with isochronic sound technology, put you to the best sleep ever, every night. Banala Lite takes you to the new level of better sleep experience from the very beginning through the wake-up. The system works by inducing your body and mind to sync perfectly with your very own natural sleep cycle. Isochronic sound of theta wave puts you to fall asleep fast, while delta wave makes you experience the deep sleep. It is during our deep sleep that our cells repair themselves, our immune system grows stronger, and our minds process all the information we have learned throughout the day. Many studies have proven the incredible benefits of isochronic tones. It's a natural and effective way to improve sleep and well-being. Spending all night long with Banala Lite helps you maintain your natural sleep cycle to its best. You will be waking up with a fresh and clear mind. We believe that the better you sleep, the better you become. At Banala, we love to help your sleep journey to be better and smoother. Switch off everything and go to bed with Banala.